Alright, today I'm cutting off this hitch. Started on it yesterday. Been using the Ryobi grinder. I was actually using bigger discs yesterday because I didn't have any small ones. But today I went to the hardware store and picked up some new cutoff blades. And these are 1/16 inch thick, 4.5 inch blades. As you can see, they're quite thin. Should take a lot less battery. I went through batteries like crazy yesterday with the big ones. Anyhow, I'm gonna start on it today and see how long a small lithium works. I charged this last night, so it should be fully charged. This is a pretty new battery. I probably have charged it 20 times maybe. So we'll see how long this lasts. This thing does eat batteries, but it's nice just because all the things you can do with it, turn in the battery thing, which ain't a big deal if you had a corded one. But the biggest thing is being able to spin your guard and move your handle around, and then having your tool right in the handle is really nice. I'd like to find a corded one that did all that. I might look for that. I don't think I'll get rid of this, but it'd be nice to have a corded one too that had all these features. This one's nice, but like I say, it eats the batteries, and when I use the batteries for other things, that's kind of annoying. So I'll get started and we can see how it works, how long it lasts too. This is about 1/4 inch thick steel. Like I said, I already started this one a little bit yesterday, not much though. Well, that's the heat cutoff. Either the battery or the motor gets too hot and it stops. Happens once in a while. Right now the battery's still cold, so it's probably the motor, or it just got bounded. It'll stop. Getting pretty close. Let's see if it'll go again. Oh. So I'm going to take that one off, let it cool, and grab another one. I don't think it's dead yet. It's just really hot. So this one was also charged last night. That one's warm too. Yeah, try the other one. It's still pretty hot. This one's hot. I mean, if you push your fingers against it, it'll almost burn you there. Not quite, but it's definitely hot. No, it's too hot to go on. This one's warm, but it's not nearly as warm. But that's it. They won't run anymore for a while. Let them sit for 10 minutes or something. This time with the vents up. There's the vents on the bottom, and they should work again. Anyhow, I just wanted to give you an idea of what this thing can do. This is really not what this thing's meant to do, cutting this much metal at a time. This is more good for cutting off little pieces of angle iron or cutting off bolt stock, you know, just smaller jobs where a cordless would come in handy. Like I say, I really like the features though. Your tools right here, right in the handle for taking off your blades. You can rotate your guard very easily by just flipping this lever here, and then you can rotate it. Won't go all the way around. Well, it kind of will, but it'll go right around there, all the way back to there. So I mean, like, and you know, the handle goes in 3 places, or you can use it without the handle, which, I mean, you could do that with most of them, but it's nice to be able to have the handle here or there, depending on what you're cutting. Yeah, I really like this little unit. I just wish, now if they made one of these that took the new 33 volt or whatever batteries that last a lot longer, now that would be a killer combo, I think. It's going to be interesting to see how that 33 volt stuff plays out, like the chainsaw on that. Still makes one too, I guess. They make a 36 volt, I think it is. Yeah, it's really hot down at the bottom. Right down here, it's really hot on these. So, like I said, they probably still have half a charge on them, maybe. Just gotta let them cool. Which takes a while on these, apparently, you know. But this thing just draws a lot. It does a nice job. I've used it to cut tile, too. A little diamond, 4.5-inch diamond blade. That works pretty slick. You could probably get a different diamond blade, one of the rough cut blades, and cut like stones with it and stuff too. But I cut porcelain tile for doing curves. I used this. It worked pretty slick. Anyhow, that's that little video for today.